Well, Interglobe Aviation, let's take a quick check on that one as well. Sixth consecutive quarter of profitability is what Interglobe Aviation has seen. Very strong numbers. The stock is up about 3% in pre-opening. The Q4 revenues went up 26%. The EBITDA margin has improved. EBITDA margin has improved to 24.8 versus 20.9. It's a net profit of sixth consecutive quarter. They've reported 1,900 crores of profit this time. Very strong passenger growth of 14%. Load factors have improved as well. And the yields have gone up about 7% year on year. I also want to talk a little bit about what brokerages are saying because it's a little bit of a mixed bag. While Morgan Stanley is saying they are overweight and they've increased the target price to 5,142. They say it was one of the cheapest travel-themed stocks currently, and any dip in the stock is an opportunity to buy. They also talk about that the company is guiding for a strong 10 to 12% year-on-year growth in the average seat kilometer. However, Elara Capital has changed their rating to a sell from a reduce, and they say that they are concerned about the fact that the stock has run up almost 40% in the past 3 months due to higher airfares. So a little bit of caution is in the system, but I'm going with green because numbers are very, very strong.
Have airfares come off, Sonia, a little bit?
I doubt it. I don't think so.
No?
I don't think so.
Depends on which sector you're going to.
I don't think so because I'm trying to go to Masai Mara next month.
What do you mean trying to go?
It's a combination of a lot of factors, right? Get the visa, passport or trip. But
that's the migration.
No, before. Can't afford the migration. Going a little before, but get a sneak peek out there.
I think interesting times for the sector, right?
Yeah.
We're talking about for employees as well. It's a sector which is typically has got this heavy image, right? I mean, it's, the famous quote: "How do you become $1 million? Basically, start with $1 billion, start an airline, and go to $1 million, right? I mean, that kind of tainted the entire image. But as IndiGo and of course others are showing us. And I think Indian Airlines actually, more than anything else, some of these specific ones, that is not the case if, of course, you run the business efficiently. So
you know, as they say, one man's food is another man's poison, right? For IndiGo, I think things really improved after Vistara's problems began a couple of months ago, where those pilot issues happened. They cut down capacity and all of that. Straight away, it was, you know, there was no other option, right?
Absolutely.
Except IndiGo, and that's when it really started picking up.
And I think the market share as well went from what 57% to 61% odd. So you know, most of what they lost went to IndiGo.
Correct.